What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is a channel all about technical analysis and price predictions. Today we're going to be talking about Bloktopia. I did a little research on this crypto coin, and Bloktopia is actually under Polygon. And if you do your own research on this crypto coin, they're doing a lot of fascinating stuff. I see that as a decentralized metaverse, and people could just go in there and you could see like the main website that it has a in-game footage that you could see a lot of ads, and you could see like also Jake Paul, also some crypto YouTubers on there, and use it for like an ad space, which is really cool. And I think that's really fascinating. And right now the price of it right now is only 8 cents, so it's really low. And of course the market right now is kind of went on a downward spiral, but it's a small correction, so there's nothing to be worried about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in to the technical analysis. So first things first, of course the market was going up. Right now it's kind of dipping down into a little small correction. So what I want to do is I want to draw out my support and resistance. So let me go ahead and take care of that first before we move on here. Do it quickly here. And let me move into the one that we're trying to see here. No, that should be fine. That should be fine. Okay, we're pretty solid here. Okay, next, since I'm on I just switched over to the daily chart here. So what I want to do is I want to draw out my Fibonacci retracement here from the higher low to higher high. No, this is probably, I need to go leave it lower here. This one. All right, so looking at the chart here, I know that this is a really good confirmation of where the support and the resistance is, just because if you move into the 4-hour chart here, so the price actually moved up, hit this resistance level, right? Bounced down to this support level here, and then it moved on up and broke this resistance level, right? Now the price actually went all the way down to back to this level. Well, that was at 6 cents from the last time where it hit the resistance. Now it's the support, right? So it did a false breakout here, as you can see. Let me go ahead and draw a circle here. All right, so it did a little false breakout. Now it's moving on up. Right now it's hovering over this 0.618 level. So it's in the consolidating phase, and the reason why I'm saying that is because the two moving averages are really close together, and hasn't even decided where it wants to either move up or move down. So like I said, it's a small correction, so I'm sure not just Bloktopia, all the crypto channels, crypto coins should start moving up eventually. Okay, so we just gotta give it some time. Also, I did see that this also, it didn't touch the 200 moving average, but it was close. The 200 moving average is also could be used as a support level, so usually that's a good indicator that it did a bounce back, which it obviously did, right? So right now I'm not too sure when it's gonna start moving back up, just because today it kind of just went downhill. But just take the opportunity. What I would do, okay, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I would do is I'll take the time to put in a little bit of money, take the time to buy the dip. Okay, that's what I would do since all the market is currently on a sell-off. So take the opportunity to buy some little more. Okay, but as far as for where the market is gonna go or the next price prediction, let me go ahead and zoom this out here. Okay, this is for future, right? Price prediction. Where the next price point level that's gonna hit 31 cents. So if you're at 8 cents and you got a good amount of shares, you make some good profit. Okay. So based off of this, you can barely even see the circle, but this is a good confirmation. This is actually a hammer candle. So a hammer candle is actually like a reverse candle. If you guys don't know about that, you guys can look it up. There's a thing called a hammer candle. It really looks like a hammer. So that's a good indication that the market should go back up. I'm not too sure when. Eventually will. And I think I also see a little trend here. Okay. Here. Something like that. Okay. So it's in this little triangle here, right? So once it breaks out, this is what I'm thinking. And I do see my moving averages hovering under the price, right? So eventually, I think once eventually will break out and then retest and then go up to this all-time high where it was before, and then break out. Eventually we'll break out and then go back up from there. So let me find my pen, or is there a brush? I use a brush here. Yeah, so I'm thinking something like that. Might consolidate a little bit, break out, head on up to somewhere over here. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. This is all speculation. It's kind of hard to tell where the market is going to go right now, just because everything's on correction right now. But once we get an update on what's going on and give us some time, I'm sure I know where the market is going to go. But we're still in the bull market, so don't sell, don't panic, keep holding, and you eventually will see the price will go back up. So feel free to leave any comments down below if you guys have any questions regarding about the price prediction, or if there's anything you don't understand, please let me know. And please let me know what other coins you want me to do a technical analysis on. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.